welcome back to JoJo's farm. Thank you all guys for watching our video. Thank you our new subscribers and our returning subscribers as well. We thank you guys so much for your support for this channel. God richly bless you. Today we're gonna talk about our daily cleaning activity at a pig farm, and it's very important. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so and subscribe to our channel. Most of the time we show the positive and the clean side of the pen, but today we decided to show you what we go through every day, every morning and evening when we visit the farm. And these are some of the things that we get to the farm in the morning or in the evening. This is how you find the farm: very dirty, and the pigs are also dirty as well. So when we get to the farm in the morning, we have to make sure that we clean the pen with water and detergent. We mix detergent in water and then we spray it in the pen. We sweep the pen first and get rid of all the dung that are left over overnight or during the day. We sweep everything away, and then we use water hose to clean the pen. And as we are cleaning the pen, we wash down the pigs as well with water and with brush or broom. We wash them one after the other. You all know that pigs like water a lot. And guys, there are three very key important things that you have to know. That if you have a pig farm, the most important thing about the pigs are: one, their food is very important. The cleanliness of their pen is also very important, and also their water. It is very important. These are three basic key things that you need to know, and you have to provide for them, because as they say, pigs like dirt. It's not true. If you allow them to be in dirt, they will be in dirt, because that is the only option that they have. But if you give them a clean place, they will be clean as well. One thing about pigs, they don't even, if you look at our pen, you realize that our piglets, our gills are so much, because we don't have so much space, and we are planning on extending our pens. So you realize that if you do not act quickly by cleaning their pen, they're gonna be in debt, which you don't want them to be. So what we're doing is that from between 6 and 8 a.m. every day, we clean their pen, wash them, and wash the pen as well. And then also in the afternoon between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. we repeat the cycle. So these are the daily cleaning activity or routine that we do at the farm. These are very important for everyone. You see, it's a lot of work, guys. It is a lot of work. And everyone who desire to start pig farm, these are the things that you're gonna go through. We always show the good side, the clean side, but most of the time we don't show the dirty side. Who will show a dirty side of his or her pen to the world? But I want you to understand, because most of the people don't know that these are the mess that we go through in everyday activity to get this place clean. These are the things. Sometimes you get there and it is worse. They've broken their doors and they are fighting, running here and there, scattering all over. It is not as easy as many portray in videos and stuff. There are a lot that happen in the pen. There are a lot that happen in the farm. That is why it is very important that when you are doing, especially pig farming, you put your heart, you put your mind, you put everything that you have into it, because it is not as easy as it can be. Sometimes it is very tedious, very, very tedious. And these pigs, if you treat them well, it will be nice, and everybody that comes to the farm look at the pigs and they are like, no, these pigs are so neat. And so it is because we put a lot of work into it, a lot of work into it. And as you all know about our previous video about the feed, the starter feed, it is really, really, really working. It is working, and very soon I'll do a video about the progress from where we started and where they are going now. It is very, very impressive. It is very, very impressive, and I will encourage everyone to pay attention to that. If you are doing a pig farm, your starter feed is very important for the piglets, because they are like human beings. You cannot give solid food to your baby born or your newborn baby. You have to give them milk. So it is with the pigs. Even though pigs start eating fast, because as they are with their mom, as their mom is eating, they will be eating also from the the food of their mom. They will be eating gradually, so they eat really fast. But as soon as you wean them from their mother, you have to put them on the starter feed. Put them on the starter feed, let them get used to it, let them eat it for some time, between a month to 3 months at least. A month, 2 months, 3 months, you realize that they will develop so quick. It depends. The pigs, some like to eat and some are slow eaters. So you just check and see if a month or 2 is good for your piglets. That is up to you. If 3 months, is up to you. So, but the best thing you have to do is that make sure that you start them with a starter feed, and you will never ever regret. Even though we started, as I said, with the with the wheat, the maize, and the concentrate, and also the rice grain. And honestly speaking, it was expensive, especially with the wheat and the soya bean. They were very expensive. So we took out the wheat, and then we are giving them the soya bean, the rice grain, and then the maize, and then the concentrate. And it is really working out. Guys, thank you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so and subscribe to our channel. Gives us a thumbs up. Share this video and watch out for our next update. Make sure that you keep on watching our videos, subscribe to our channel, and let us learn together. If you have any comments, don't hesitate to leave it. Thank you, guys. God richly bless you for all that you do. Bye, and watch out for our next.